Welcome to episode 2, Refactoring to Functions. In this episode, I am going to refactor the code left at episode 1, even though it wasn't finished, but this is to make the episode shorter. I am going to use a functional paradigm to make the code reusable with pure functions. A pure function doesn't reference any free variable like closures do. Turning this closure into a pure function is easy, just by introducing arguments with the same names than the free variables. We are changing the reference, we are shadowing the outer variables. One of the key aspects of proactive refactoring is to take baby steps to keep the test green. Notice how the changes are made without breaking the tests. In order to convert this closure into a pure function, I have to remove the references to the free variables. But I want to keep my test running, so the change is going to be done in parallel, keeping the old implementation whilst writing the new one. Given that the function was void, I can start using its return value without affecting anything else. So let's return an array that we can use as an input for the other function. Both are pure functions, and the tests are green. Now it's time to practice the functional paradigm, where the variables never change once they are assigned a value. But before, let me change the algorithm so that I can turn the iteration into recursion easily. Let's make it return a single value. What's interesting is how to make the change in parallel to the current implementation to keep us in green. At this point, it's quite easy to get rid of the index variable, and it's obvious how to introduce the recursion. Yeah, it works, but I've got a question for you. In this code, what other function do you think we should extract to make it read better? To finish off, let's make a copy of the original arrays so as not to surprise the caller of this function, because in JavaScript arrays are objects and they are passed in by reference, meaning that they could be altered inside the function. In the next episode, we'll see how to refactor using the object-oriented paradigm and how to clean up the tests. Thank you for watching.